Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Xterra Exercise Bike is probably one of the most popular choices for home fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into this fantastic machine, exploring its features, performance, and overall value. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just starting your fitness journey, this review will provide you with all the insights you need to decide if the Xterra Exercise Bike is the right fit for your home gym. Let's get started and see what makes this bike stand out. Number 5. YOSUDA Exercise Bike for Home. For over 20 years, YOSUDA has been a trusted name in home fitness. This exercise bike is designed with quality in mind, and over 3 million families trust the brand. We stand behind the quality of our products. Experience a smooth and stable workout with the 30 pounds flywheel and heavy-duty steel frame. The high magnetic magnets provide strong resistance, up to 85 pounds. It ensures a challenging workout. This bike is designed for a comfortable experience. It features a 2-way adjustable handlebar and a 4-way adjustable seat, accommodating users from 4 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 0 inches. It also has a 300 pounds load capacity. Stay connected with the built-in LCD display and tablet holder. The new Bluetooth support smart app allows you to track your ride data and enjoy different riding scenarios. You can also enjoy music while riding. The YOSUDA Exercise Bike comes with all the tools and instructions. You can easily assemble it in 30 minutes with the online video. It also includes a 1-year free parts replacement service. Safety is a priority. Adjustable cage pedals keep your feet secure. The resistance lever allows for immediate stopping. The water bottle holder ensures you stay hydrated during your workout. What we like. This bike offers smart app support, allowing you to track your ride data and enjoy different cycling scenarios. If you are looking for an exercise bike that combines technology with fitness, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy interactive workouts and want to monitor their progress. What people say. Seems like it has a good build quality and is a sturdy piece of equipment that is pretty easy to put together. Super quiet with a good range of magnetic resistance. Easy seat adjustment. Seat is not the most comfortable, but for the price it's hard to beat. Number 4. BARWING 5-in-1 Foldable Exercise Bike. This BARWING exercise bike offers 5 different workout positions. It's designed to be foldable for easy storage and is suitable for various fitness levels. It's a versatile option for home workouts. The bike features 16 levels of adjustable magnetic resistance. This allows you to customize the intensity of your workouts. It provides a smooth and quiet operation, perfect for any home environment. Enjoy a quiet workout experience with this exercise bike. The advanced belt drive system ensures near-silent operation. The sturdy frame supports up to 350 pounds, providing stability during your exercise. The bike includes an upgraded, reinforced padded seat for added comfort. It also offers adjustable seat height and angle, accommodating users from 4 feet 11 inches to 6 feet 6 inches. This makes it suitable for a wide range of users. The console displays track your workout progress, including time, speed, and calories burned. There's also a phone holder, so you can watch shows while you exercise. It's designed to enhance your workout experience. This exercise bike allows for both upright and inclined workout postures. It also includes arm and leg resistance bands to improve upper and lower body strength. It's a great choice for improving joint flexibility and boosting heart health. BARWING provides a 1-year parts warranty and comprehensive after-sale support. They offer assistance with assembly and are available to answer any questions. They are committed to making your fitness journey fulfilling. What we like. This bike features a foldable design and quiet operation, making it ideal for home workouts without disturbing others. If you have limited space or live in an apartment, this is the perfect solution. It's also great for those who value a peaceful workout environment. What people say. It was easy to assemble and seems very sturdy. Foldable and doesn't take up much space at all. The computer readout is really big, so if you have trouble with your eyesight, this is perfect. Number 3. Niceday Recumbent Exercise Bike. Niceday is designed for long-term use. We are committed to providing excellent products and services to our customers. If you have any questions, we will do our best to help you. This recumbent exercise bike greatly reduces the burden on your back and puts less pressure on your joints. It's designed to help those with knee and lower back issues improve their mobility and recover from surgery. It offers 16 levels of resistance, perfect for the whole family. The knob lets you precisely control the intensity, making it great for both gentle physical therapy and intense cardio. The 15 pounds flywheel and magnetic control system ensures smooth and quiet operation. You won't disturb your family or neighbors, creating a peaceful home workout environment. It has a robust and heavy-duty frame for long-lasting use, providing excellent stability and safety. It can support up to 400 pounds, making it suitable for everyone in your family. Say goodbye to discomfort with the ergonomic seat and breathable backrest. The seat is easily adjustable, providing ample legroom for users up to 6 feet 3 inches. The LED monitor tracks your exercise data effectively. An iPad holder adds extra fun, and connecting to apps via Bluetooth takes your workouts to the next level. What we like. This recumbent bike offers a comfortable and low-impact workout experience, with a high weight capacity. If you have back issues or prefer a more relaxed workout position, this is a great option. It's designed for those who prioritize comfort and ease of use. What people say. The bike is silent when pedaling. The seat is adjustable to accommodate most any height person. The tension adjustment is located in an easy location without having to get up from the seated position. There are 16 positions. The lowest position is excellent for knee replacement surgery. The highest will provide an excellent workout. Number 2. YOSUDA Folding Exercise Bike, Home Gym. For 20 years, YOSUDA has been designing exercise machines. This folding exercise bike is designed to be your fitness partner. It is perfect for your home gym workout. This bike uses a non-contact magnetic system for resistance, ensuring a quiet workout. It's ideal for apartments or homes where noise is a concern. With high-density composite magnets, this bike offers adjustable resistance. Beginners can start at level 1, while experienced users can challenge themselves at level 8. The bike features an oversized, soft seat cushion and anti-slip pedals. The seat provides stable support, and the pedals accommodate various shoe sizes. The large screen computer monitors time, count, distance, speed, calories, and pulse. This helps you easily track your progress and achieve your fitness goals. It's easy to fold and store this bike. Simply pull the pin to fold it and insert it to secure. Transportation wheels make it easy to move. YOSUDA offers long-term service. Contact them through your Amazon order, and their team will respond within 12 hours. They aim for 100% customer satisfaction. What we like. This bike is foldable and compact, making it easy to store and ideal for small spaces. If you're looking for a space-saving solution without compromising on workout quality, this is the one. It's perfect for apartment dwellers or anyone with limited room. What people say. It is very sturdy, another concern of mine. It provides various levels of tension in the pedals which is easily adjusted with a dial. It comes with a small computerized monitor which displays distance, time, speed, calories used, and pulse. Number 1. Folding Exercise Bike, 225 lb weight capacity. This exercise bike features a solid X-frame foldable design. It folds up to a compact size, taking up minimal floor space when you're done with your workout. This makes it perfect for small spaces. Designed with your comfort in mind, it has a large contoured seat with a back pad. The multi-grip padded handlebars provide a comfortable and secure grip during your exercise. The bike is equipped with a 2x1 LCD window. It clearly displays your speed, distance, time, calories burned, and pulse, helping you track your progress. With 8 levels of manual resistance, it's easy to adjust the intensity of your workout. The large dial tension knob allows users of all fitness levels to find their perfect challenge. The handlebar-mounted hand pulse sensors allow you to monitor your heart rate. This helps you stay in your target zone and maximize the effectiveness of your workout. What we like. This bike's foldable design and ergonomic features make it a great choice for comfort and convenience. If you like a simple, easy-to-use bike that's also easy to store, consider this. It's ideal for those who want a straightforward workout experience. What people say. The bike is very quiet. The seat is comfortable. It was easy to assemble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.